a little bit. Okay. The first thing I want to talk about is an interior angle. Interior means what? Inside. Okay. So we have the inside angles. And when we have a triangle, what is the sum of the interior angles?
180 degrees.
Okay. Good. So you know that. Perfect. Okay. Now, vocabulary that I think that you should know. There are 3 ways to classify a triangle by its sides. If they are all the same length, we have 3 congruent sides. We call that equilateral. You knew that already, right?
Yeah. Say something.
Hold on. Is it about an equilateral triangle?
Yes.
And about its angles?
Maybe.
Hold on to it for 1 minute. Okay? 2 congruent sides means it's isosceles. You knew that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But if no sides are congruent, we do have a name for it. It's not special, but we call it scaling. Okay. What do you want to tell us, Alex?
So the equilateral triangle and the equiangular triangle will always be the same because for 3 angles to be congruent, they have to be 60 degrees, which means the sides will have to be congruent.
So Alex is saying an equiangular triangle, which is a triangle where all angles are congruent, is also an equilateral triangle, a triangle where all sides are congruent. Does that make sense?
Yes.
That makes sense. Okay? Now, other than equiangular, we have 3 different ways to classify a triangle by its angles. We have, an acute triangle. Okay? He's so cute because all of its angles are acute. Okay? We have a right triangle where there's 1 right angle. And we have an obtuse triangle where there's 1 obtuse angle. Yeah? Okay. Draw that picture. Conway, what kind of triangle is this?
Right.
And?
Isosceles.
Excellent. Okay, I'm hearing obtuse. Obtuse and... Okay, now, if the sides are not marked, we cannot assume anything congruent without the markings. So maybe even you see something like this, okay? That would be scaling for sure. But if there's no markings, we can't assume anything congruent.
Do they have to be in a certain order?
No. So if I say classify it by its angles and its sides, just make sure you have both. Okay?
And another thing, a equilateral and equiangular triangle is always acute.
Yes. Okay, so Alex also wanted to add an equiangular triangle is also going to be acute because what are the angles of the equal angular triangle?
60 degrees.
They are all 60. Okay. Okay, we're going to do a challenge. Last 3 standing will win. Everybody stand up. Okay. You need to find a group of 3 where you would make an isosceles triangle. Isosceles? All right, Brooke, need somebody?
Wait, so that means 2 are the same height?
Oh, that means 2 people are the same height and 1 person's not.
That's us.
Micah, are you the same height as like somebody over there?
You're taller than him.
All right. So, Cameron, Micah, Aaron, Brooke, you're sitting down. Okay, I now need you to make a scalene triangle. Go. You obviously can't be with the same people.
No. Oh.
Well, if you're scalene, you're all 3.
Look, we did it.
There you go. You guys are scalene. You guys are scalene.
Hey, Cole's not standing up.
Wait, you 3 are out. You 3
Wait.
are out.
Standing up all the way. Stand up.
Okay. Make an equilateral triangle.
Who's my height?
Equilateral, you all 3 have to be the same height. Sorry, guys. All right. Isosceles.
Ollie.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Equilateral.
I mean, 1 is different, and 2 have to be the same
That
height.
did not work for me. Isosceles. All right, good job, guys. Have a seat.
We won. We get a table in type 1. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
All right. At the end, yes. All right. Next page. I would like you to draw this picture. Draw this picture. And then draw this picture. Okay, who are my triangles?
Austin and Nolan got out.
Hey, how about, you know what? Do you need me for these? Sulfur X.
No, I was scratching my head.
I totally won. They didn't win. Oh, you never get a meal. I totally won. I said I'm never getting one. Dang it!
Who else was in our triangle?
No, it was Conway, Ollie,
Wait.
Alex, Abby, Natalie, Will, Ty.
You weren't in it?
You're not
I
getting
lost
this.
with Jason.
You guys weren't?
Why did we get out? Because we, 2 are supposed to be the same height and 1 was
I heard it.
Miss Lee, he said no.
Josh, if only you were 12.
No, and then she changed
Nobody's
it to
my
isosceles.
You're short.
She changed it to isosceles after everything. I didn't hear it.
So you guys are too tall.
Me and
That's what I'm
Lucas,
saying.
Lucas, we would have been
We're all doing the same height.
Like, I have to, I like,
No, it ain't, bro.
a little bit.
Conway, what are you getting for the blue triangle?
I'm still showing 49.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is white.
Boom shakalaka, somebody call the doctor, because I'm so freaking good.
Okay, if all three angles add to 180, x plus 62 plus 87 equals 180, what does x have to be? Huh? 31? Our missing angle is 31 degrees. No, you're not.
Hey! 31 degrees.
Well, you wrong, boy.
Okay, let's look at the purple triangle.
Is it 20?
We know that our three angles, x, 2x plus 21, and, oh, what's this one?
90.
Equals 180. So 3x plus 111 equals 180, which means 3x equals?
69.
So x equals 23. That's funny. Didn't mean to do that, but we're going to say that. Okay.
Low-key kind of tough.
All right. Now, I'm going to give you and your elbow partner each a different color of paper. And when I give it to you, will you please cut out this bottom triangle? There should be scissors. I mean, yes? I want So you are cutting out the bottom triangle. Yeah, so I need you. Hey people, I need you to cut out the whole triangle, not just the dotted line.
My bad.
And I said both. Yeah.
Now they got
Well,
The one below the dog.
wait, how many hands do you guys have?
And the top one or just the bottom one?
Just the bottom one.
Last week.
Yeah, just.
Should I cut all
He's taking the test.
Just the bottom.
I am not dead.
Okay, so I want everybody to take a time out, and I want you to listen to the instructions.
Shouldn't you cut out the top one?
That's not what I want. Okay. So, do you see how this triangle, I extended it? Okay, so this is what we call an exterior angle. Okay? So, what I want you to do is I want you to keep your triangle and I want you to trade your partner at the top. So now your triangle is what are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
That is not what you're cutting out.
No.
I didn't.
So now you're trading your partner and your triangle is a different color than your paper.
I did it.
Now, this is what I want you to do. Are you listening carefully?
Yes.
In the triangle that you cut out, you are going to make a cut like this on those two specific angles. So make sure it's oriented the right way. Cut that angle, cut that angle.
Wait, let me make it circular. Not.
I think it would help if you make it circular. Okay. Yep. Okay, and then another one. And so then, shh, people. So what I want you to do then is to glue your triangle up here so that it looks like this. Keep the things that you cut off.
The top right here. Need it.
So you're gluing that, and then you've done exactly what I've asked you to do. Okay. Okay. Who needs a new glue stick? You get a glue stick.
You're not LeBron James, man.
You get a glue stick. You get a glue stick. Okay, who needs it?
I need another one.
If you have a glue stick that is dried out, throw it away for me.
Oh, I see it all.
Now, what I need you to do is after you get it glued, with those cute little pieces that you cut out, I want you to see if you fit anywhere.
Can I fit anywhere?
Like, do they fit? Do they fit? Can you make them fit in there?
Combine.
And where?
How do I do that?
How are you supposed to?
Like this.
The exterior.
I did it.
What's the exterior?
Like this?
I have done it.
Can you fit
Oh,
the exterior?
You want
Look at what Jack did. What Jack did is perfect.
I did it. No, I did it. I did it. Oh, shoot, miss, I crumpled those up and threw those away. Derek.
Oh my god, I glued it wrong. Wait, are you supposed to
Jack. Wait, she told us not to. Jack. I did it for you, Conway.
like this?
Yes, I did it
Do we glue these?
Yes.
We do.
Glue them. Okay, this is what I'm seeing.
No, not Jack.
I am seeing people take those angles and somehow, some way, they fit perfectly right here.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Okay, while you're gluing, talk to your neighbor. What does this mean?
This means that they all add up to
Two angles? Mine don't work. If you take all the angles, you cut this line here.
I don't think you did that right.
Cut it and like curves. I tried.
Derek, I need that.
Yeah, see, yours works. Yours works perfect. Yeah. Those are yours that you cut out? Those aren't yours that you cut out.
Those are mine that I cut off. This is what I get for it. This is what did I say? No, not you. Oh, you're supposed to flip it over.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, I should go back. What does this mean? Raise your hand. Evie, tell us. Your hand's not raised. Augie.
It's like if you take two of the triangle's angles and combine them, it equals the exterior angle.
If you take the two angles, they will add up to the one exterior angle. Does that work?
Yes.
And then you can do 180.
All three angles add up to 180 because one line is a.
All right, here we go. Student journal notes. You guys. These two angles are going to add to be this third angle right here. So picture time. Draw it.
Oh no, because it has a theorem.
We bring the boom. Oh, get out.
Show that the
No, stop touching her. Stop. It's my arm off.
Are you gonna board your house?
Why are you touching me like that? No, I don't like it.
Make it on like fine flat and then just
Well, they're up.
and then I didn't like it because the
This is a break.
And then just all break.
Terrible. Terrible.
but it's not
Terrible. I can't shoot.
I understand it now.
Was there a talent?
You think I'm gonna?
I'm gonna fill it.
Don't look.
All right, what's X? All right, so we know that X plus 62 should equal 123. Okay?
I thought that was a 7.
Oh,
Hey,
Is that a 1?
yeah. I'm sorry that you can't read my writing. That's my bad. All right. One more picture.
We forgive you.
You know what, guys? Like, take a deep breath. That's an X. That's an 80. And this is a 3X minus 22.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So we know that two interior angles add up to the non-adjacent exterior angle. What do I mean by that? This exterior angle is not adjacent to the two that we're adding together. Okay? So how would we write our equation? I love algebra. So 2x equals 102. X equals 51. Hey, you know what? Can you tell that I'm frustrated with you? I'm going to give you this little expression. Read the room. Your homework is the student journal pages, and I think it's just one page. Now, I